In this video, you will learn what is the best time to achieve success quickly and easily, the basic rule of all successful people, what attitude to money is doomed to failure and how to fix it, and also, what is the key step that separates you from your desired earnings. So let's get started. I have yet to meet a single person who aspires to be a nobody and live a miserable existence. Almost any of us has an inherent desire to live in prosperity, be happy in our personal lives, and have other benefits of modern civilization. However, most people do not get it because they do nothing to achieve their desires. Or rather, they say that they do something, but it does not bring the desired result. And in fact, the simplest actions, which sometimes seem ridiculous or silly to us, can contribute to the achievement of even the boldest goal. Secret number 1. Now is the best time to succeed. There is and will be no better time to start becoming successful, changing rapidly and accumulating wealth than right now. As a rule, people who read these kinds of metaphors do not find anything new for themselves in them. And that's not surprising. After all, how many times have each of us heard something like this before? Yes, they completely agree with the thesis that you can get richer right now. But what should you do? How exactly should you start accumulating wealth right now? NLP suggests starting with self-development, and so that this step you do not seem difficult or commercial, take advantage of unique technologies absolutely free of charge. For example, here are a variety of programs and other computer products that are designed to alter consciousness in some way. Remember, the present, the way you live today, determines the future, how you live your life in the future. Secret chapter 2. Look to the future. In our daily lives, we are faced with a huge number of goods and services that are offered to us. And when we buy something, we do not always think about the expected consequences of the purchase. It is proved that people with wealth always evaluate the thing from the point of view of long-term effect, future effect. That is, they look not at how much they spend now formally, but what resources or investments it will require in the future, not only financial, but also physical or time. In the classical NLP practitioner course, in the third segment, we study the SCORE model. In this model, we emphasize the point of effects. Literally, we closely analyze what effects will follow after we formally achieve a goal. And these effects are not always positive. Using Secret Nuri 1 and Secret Nuru, think about whether now might be the right time. That would establish a business or friendly relationship with someone, which in the future will bring much joy and benefit. Secret 3. Unhealthy attitude towards money. Many people tend to feel two strong polar emotions towards money. On the one hand, love, on the other, hatred or contempt. If you want to test this dogma on your acquaintances, categorizing emotions and differences in their manifestations will help you do that. People love and idolize money because with their help, you can make expensive purchases and get pleasure or positive emotions. They despise and hate it because when money is scarce, fear and insecurity arise. There is an inner feeling that money, its quantity, controls their life. And the absolute majority of our compatriots, when there is no money or not enough of it to buy another tooted good, take it in debt or credit. However, the harsh truth is that expensive emotional purchases or credit histories will not make you more successful and richer. Invest in yourself. The harsh reality says that only how much you are actually worth in the labor market, your salary, bonuses, income, is an objective indication of your success. Successful people are constantly developing and training their brains. Let's say that you can't devote your free time to various developmental seminars and trainings, but you can do it yourself. Dedicating 20-30 minutes a day to your development, you lay a strong foundation for your prosperity. Incorrectly formulated goal. It would seem that there is nothing easier than to want something. And there is time to think, what do I want? And quite often people wish to have money. Most people sincerely consider having money as their value. They save it for a rainy day or just hide it under the mattress. Such people look at the accumulated savings with greed and love. They are convinced that these bills, earned by blood and sweat, silently testify to their wealth. However, this is not the case. Money is just pieces of paper. When such people set themselves a goal, I want $1 million. This command is meaningless to our unconscious. What you are really telling yourself is that you want a big pile of colorful pieces of paper. Make the goal real, not just want money. By the way, in the master course, we often model rich and successful people. And as a rule, they want desire to have not money, but quite real things. Do you doubt it? See for yourself. Here are the secrets of strategies and principles of success of famous businessmen and politicians. These materials help to define, understand, and systematize the internal strategy, worldview of successful and famous people. Secret 5. Invest in your training. Some people are so determined in their desire to get rich that they use a variety of methods to attract wealth. For example, a wish board, an effective way to visualize a dream. It works effectively if your leading representational system is visual. For proper programming of the goal, you can use a specially equipped place, which you will see every day. Usually a board is used on which all your desires written down on paper are attached. Each wish has a corresponding picture attached to it. If you use this method, you should not hide the board from prying eyes. Let your friends and family see what you want and what you are striving for. However, just hanging a beautiful picture of your goal on the wall and looking at it for hours every day will not guarantee you results. You run the risk of growing old before you get even a third closer to your cherished dream. Most omens, artifacts, talismans, or techniques serve only as an additional bonus to your intelligence. Without developing your own intellectual abilities, it's just a fetish. Invest in your learning. Learning and self-development is your most valuable asset. By investing in yourself, you build new skills. With new skills, you can earn more or make your own business so that other people make money for you.